Account locked on Coinmama App Fix. You open the Coinmama app, ready to buy or sell some crypto, and suddenly you're locked out. It's stressful, especially when your funds are at stake. But here's the good news. This is a common issue with a few clear solutions. Coinmama locks accounts automatically when it detects security concerns, failed logins, or unverified identity information. It's part of their strict anti-fraud and compliance system designed to keep your account safe. Most people assume it's a system bug, but that's not the case. It's a protective measure. Start by going to the Coinmama login page and clicking Forgot Password. Reset your password using the email link, then try logging in again after a few minutes. If that doesn't work, go to the official Coinmama Help Center and submit a support request. Be ready to provide your registered email address, ID verification details, and a short explanation of what happened. If your account was locked due to kick or regulatory checks, the team may ask you to re-upload your identity documents. For faster results, make sure your ID photos are clear, up to date, and match the details on your account. Most unlock requests are resolved within 24 to 48 hours once verification is complete. To prevent this from happening again, keep your identity details current, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid using phones or shared networks when accessing your account. A locked Coinmama account might feel like a setback, but it's really a safety net. Follow these quick steps, verify your info, and you'll be back buying, selling, and managing your crypto with peace of mind.